What is Python? Let's start from what is Python. So Python is a programming language created by one Guido van Rossum in 1991. It's used for web development, uh, used in machine machine learning and AI. It's used by data analysts, engineers, and scientists. And it can also be used in engineering, running different hardwares. And the good thing about Python is it can run on any OS you want to run it on, be it Linux, be it Raspberry Pi, be it small microcontrollers, Windows, etc. It can be used to create web applications. It can be used to create workflows, etc. So as we get deeper in the class, in this Python class, everything will open to us, and we know different ways that you can use Python or deploy Python, as the case may be. And the good thing to know about Python is that the syntax, they are close to English. So if you pay more attention, it will be as if you are writing word of English, and it's just quite easy to follow for anyone. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie or not. It doesn't matter if you are. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie. If you've never had experience of programming before, it doesn't matter. So that's why Python is like go to for most newcomers into the programming world. So, like I said, for this in this particular class, we'll be using this program that is called this IDE that is called PyCharm. So this IDE is called PyCharm, and it's really called a translator for other programming languages like C and C++. You need to write your code, compile it, and after the compilation, the computer will translate it into the language that the machine really understand. We call it machine language. But one thing with Python is the moment you type it in, the one thing with this idea, the moment you type it in, you are being given the response almost immediately. It's quite fast. So I'm demonstrating it. So you say I typed in print I am Golan, and it just came back to me I am Golan. So this is your first Python code. So the one in purple is one of the numerous Python function or command, if you like, and the one in between is the argument that we are typing. We want the computer to print. So in this case, we have asked the computer to print I am Golan, and the computer has done that. So if you like, you may change that to hello, welcome to your first Python class. The moment you hit run, you will see the response in the terminal. So hello, welcome to your first Python class. And if you like, you can also come here and do, let's say, uh, today is the 29th day, sorry, 29th day of November 2024. So once you hit that one, both both code both code will appear. Hello, welcome to your first Python class. Today is the 29th day of November. And the way any programming language works is it starts from the top and it starts going down. So let's say for example, I let me copy this a bit of time, a number of times, sorry, apologies. And I do this is one I do 2, I went on to 3, I did 4, etc. Not to bore us. You know what I'm trying to do. So what the computer does is it starts from this print on the second line, then it goes down. So it doesn't matter even if it's a 1,000 line of code, it keeps going until we get to this advanced or intermediate topic where we use functions to break in the loop to go to where we want to really run some different lines of commands and whatever. So let's say I'll just change this to 30 and let me say first. You get the gist here, 1st of December 2024. So when I hit run, it will start from 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how programming works. Thank you.